To say mampini eto ni success no my main fa yonko echi kakra because eyi mampini in 2017 so omba mbedi manye so no o she boss afibia no obetu anamo ahwehwe juma ekoso ewo omayimo owie so anu wada Ghana foase so mo de o mo ejidie ehye ne mu. Aside from that no so na wahwehwe ejuma ya ekoso senebe ya obitimi a monitor and make sure say o mine are developing and me no ni na beji etum say nieme sisi nieme pi ejuma pi akoso and we nye omampinyana muntu edikan wataye na fibia. Looking at within the 4-day tour now, Mampini, you know, I think he started on the Sunday. Utu anamonko sorry eko da nyamiase. Esa eko krumraho. Efe nutumfo say tutu. Eko chiano. Ede na desredi etu nenim say o pe akunya itimi itu anamon ewo ni krum so anana asase so ena otumfo so hira sade na so looking at the things is done, I think commendable because infrastructure development air cost within the Ashanti region is worth commending. Or inaugurating within the town or inaugurating the second 4th-year interchange in West Africa. The first one no eye no pokwase ha. Yeni na yeni pokwase ehonsem. Bibi ana ewo ene niema yekoye ya yedi negotiate ye ekoje. Sa project ye da ho. Because ye say na eba be 3th-year interchange. T3 interchange sikana anko mode eba beje no. Omampeni ni na pamfo a we yomo, which is the road minister. Emo kotenas no mo negotiate ye. Sa anke sika ye de kokoji iPhone 12 no. Sa ni yetimi de G14 man ye. Inti ye ko upgrade interchange no man ye 40 ye. Man e be ye kra be hwe obi ofa poku asibia and then ni age. The headache, the frustration on that road has drastically reduced. And I know say we are still doing much to improve traffic within that stretch within that route. So Kumasi also getting a 4th-year interchange. Adia yinina etese yeneje because Ashanti region is a very important city within the history of Africa and we are seeing nina and say amount for bit me about it depends on the infrastructure development you've been able to put together. And one of those things is the international airport, which me know in Ejitum say and yes yakoko extendi how do you call it if I saying yakoko extend the runway with an asphalt and he has so lights to the runway and so any boy on some run they say you're building international airport, but this is a modern state-of-the-art international airport within the standard of we are seeing now, and the Kumasi people are grateful for it. And aside from that, and so we use the gateway and so the amount for befaso or what they would see is the road network. And we would attest to the fact say a Banu road network constructing road, Abaya constructing road, even within the first term in this country, Nana Akufo-Addo's history or records is unprecedented when it comes to road infrastructure. The number of kilometers are ye. Because Ansani Beba power no na man for my AGD say akwan de onwe yi bebre. Ye kokko hwehwe mu say na akwan ye yi no book mu na nye form. Banyamencha de irrespective of the current economical situation across the globe, still ejuma koso in Ghana. Yejitum say niema ente se first no. Yejitum say se siya niema mu ayeden kakra. Basa situation no. Ye sansu nim say enye Ghana nkwa na ye wiase afana nina